kahalagahan na maisama sila dito ay para malaman ng lahat na meron tayong mga sektor ng lipunan natin na kailangan nating pangalagaan.
Kikita ko kung laging nadidinig ko sa mga senior citizens na ang complain nila, bakit hindi namin natatanggap yung kailangang benepisyo na dapat talaga sa mga senior citizens. King priority is for senior citizens to know their rights. Ano ba yung benefits that they should receive? And the Commission should be proactive.
So right now, bukod sa congestion, ang isang naging problem namin yung aftercare. So we're going to focus now on aftercare, whereby after the PDL has been released, alam namin, sigurado namin na meron silang mapupuntahan, meron silang trabaho, meron silang pamilya, meron silang mag-aaruga sa kanila. Meron kami tinatawag ngayon na Blue Ribbon. This is similar to the efforts of the Singapore government, kung saan the days before or months before they are released, meron na silang trabaho. And we are copying that, para paglabas nila, alam na namin, even before they get released, na-identify na namin ano yung assets and skills nila, and then we are going to refer them to certain companies that will hire them afterwards.
We have done so much, pero still nakaka-experience pa rin ang sektor ng may kapansanan ng barriers and challenges. Most especially, bullying, vilification, yung ginagawang katawa-tawa. So I think dito sa summit na ito, makikita natin or mai-explain ng NCDA kung paano nag-work ang justice system for persons with disability para hindi na naliligaw ang mga persons with disability if they wanted to file a complaint para magkaroon sila ng justice kung ano man yung nararamdaman nila.
Ang vision natin is Bucor will have to be relevant, Bucor has to be sustainable, and Bucor has to win back the respect of society. And we can only do that, unang-una, gawin nating relevant yung mga PDL natin. Because right now, wala tayong, itong PDL natin, yung mga PDL, they will be hired as PEZA zone workers, as PDL, and then paglalaya na sila o lumaya na sila, they will be hired as regular employees. Program natin, we will not only give them safekeeping and then reformation, but ultimately, we will reintegrate them to society.